Assalamualaikum students, how are you? I hope you all will be fine. I'm your science teacher. I'm Shagufta Makbul. Please open your notebook of science. What date is today? Today is Monday 25th January 2021. Today our topic is safety. Subtopic is answer these questions. Today I'm going to revise question answers. Before revising this, I'm going to take a short review of this lesson. First of all, what is safety? What is meaning of safety? Safety means staying away from danger or injury. For this, you will have to follow some safety rules. You have to follow some safety rules at home, in the school, on the road, and when you are playing in the playground. Look at here. These are safety rules. Don't climb on shelves as your parents or adult brother or sister when you want to take something. Don't play with sharp objects. This girl is playing with sharp objects. And don't touch electric wire, switches and plugs. Look at her. Don't lean out of the window. This girl is leaning out of the window. This is not good for this girl or for any boy or girl. So you don't lean out of the window. You can fall from this window. Don't play near fire or with matchsticks like this girl. Burn caused by fire are painful. This girl will feel pain. This girl will cry after burning. So our safety rule is don't play near fire or with matchsticks like this way. Next one is, you are saying don't run around in the classroom. Don't run. You might hit in the desk and hurt yourself and your friend. So you don't need to run in the classroom like this way. So you have to follow safety rules to be safe and to save others. Next one page is, you will have to open. Don't jump run on the staircase like this boy. Look at here. This is very dangerous. A fall from the staircase could be very painful. This boy can hurt himself. Look at here. After falling from staircase, it can be dangerous for this boy. Don't poke anyone with pencil. Don't go alone anywhere when you are on a school picnic. So you will have to always be with your teachers or class fellows. You don't need to take anything from strangers. This man is stranger. It means this is an unknown person. So you don't take anything from this man. When you are sitting in the bus, like look at this boy, never put your hand or head out of the bus window. So you have to follow safety rules. Never put your hand or head out of the bus window like this boy. When you are crossing road, you will have to follow safety rules. Always use zebra crossing when you are crossing the road like this boy. Okay students, next one is, how can you save yourself? Look at this picture carefully. This is in the playground and on the road. Which thing is the students who are following safety rules and the children who are not following the safety rule? These children are not following safety rules. These children are following safety rules because they are playing in the playgrounds. They are wearing shoes. Look at these children. They are playing on the road. So this is an unsafe action. So they can meet an accident. When you can meet an accident, when you have injury and you have any problem, so first thing you will have to do, whenever you or any of your friend get hurt, when you get hurt, when your friends get hurt, you have to call your parents or teacher without wasting time. They will attend to they will check your injuries immediately. After checking, they can give you first aid. So this is first aid, the first help that is given to any person, any boy or any girl, when he is ill or injured. So students, you have to follow these safety rules to be safe yourself and to save others. Now come back to question answers that I am going to revise. Question number first is that we will learn and we will revise today. You will have to give answer of this question quickly. It is after listening main point and after listening it, now you are able to give answer of these kind of questions easily. Number one, how should you use things at home and in the school? We use different kinds of things at home and in the school. We use scissors, we use knife at home, and we use scissors at home. We use scissors in the school. We use pencils in the school. We use sharpener in the school. When we are using these kinds of things, so we have to be very careful. So answer of this question is we will start answer from we. SHOULD, should use things carefully. CARE, care. FULLY, fully. We should use things carefully. Question number 2 is why should you follow safety rules? Why? This is question I am asking you after listening this. Why should you follow safety rules? These kinds of rules that I told you. Why? You can write answer. We should follow safety rules to be safe. To be safe. You will write answer. We will start answer from we. We should follow safety rules to be safe. To TO2BBSAFE, safe. Question number 3 is that you can give like this way. Write 1 safety rules you must follow at home. I told you many rules you will have to follow at home, in the school, when you are playing in the playground. You follow different kinds of rules. So you will have to write only 1 rule you have to follow at home. You will have to follow at home. We don't climb on shelves, don't touch electric wires, and don't play with sharp objects. These are rules that we have to follow at home, and don't play near fire. So you can write here, don't climb on shelves. DO NOT note, CLIMB, climb, ONON, SHELVES. You can write this one. Don't touch electric wire, switches and plugs. Okay students, today you will have to revise question number 1, 2 and 3 of lesson safety. Look at here. Today you will have to revise question number 1, 2 and 3 of lesson safety. If you are feeling any difficulty, you can discuss with me. Thank you so much.